Yo, all right, YouTube, what's good? I didn't make a trade recap yesterday just because the loss was so little, but I'm gonna do a trade recap of yesterday and today combined, just so y'all could see, and action. And I'm trying to be as fully as transparent as possible with you guys as possible. Like I said, today I only lost $97. Yesterday I lost $40. I'm gonna explain to you exactly how. Well, this morning we kind of just came into the market dumping. I honestly thought we were going to get another all-time high just because ES was pushing all the way up, and ES pretty much. We had a bearish SMT, which I didn't take account into. I was looking more at the bullish SMT, but we had a bullish and a bearish SMT at London highs and London lows with ES. By the way, if y'all see me, this is the last time seeing me in this setup. By the way, I got a new setup, so we're gonna start trading there. This is the last trade recap here. This is what I'm literally standing up. I don't even have the majority of my stuff where I had to move my keyboard and mouse over, all that shit. But yeah, honestly, we entered right at this wick after inversing this one, retraced back into the one after thinking this bullish SMT would push us back up to a London high, market open high, or all-time high. Those were my three targets for the day. And then, as of yesterday's trade, I'm gonna be so honest. Where was my trade yesterday? All right, so. Okay. Oh, fuck. I forgot I have no chair. Scheist! This was my trade yesterday, right? Right here. This is my trade yesterday. 9 petty. Bro. Am I dumb? Can I? No, hold on. Let me go to my executions from yesterday. This is Friday. No wonder. I was like, that shit does not look like anything I traded yesterday. Let's go back to the phone to the 1 5 minutes. Yesterday. This is exactly what happened yesterday. So yesterday, let's rid of this fib. I'm just gonna break it down in easiest terms possible. All right. So yesterday, this is my L. Honestly, completely wrong bias. Just completely got fucking melted. If we are being fully honest with y'all, why is it so difficult for me to find this entry? All right, this was my trade yesterday. Being a fucking bitch. This was my trade. I wanted London lows. We came up. We took out Asia highs. I know we had an SMT, a bearish SMT with, if I'm not wrong. Okay, this was London high. This was Asia high. We had a bearish SMT with London high. We swept it on NQ. We did it on ES. Like I said, I've been trading very aggressively. That's why these are such small losses. This is literally a $40 loss. Enter right here, stop out right here. Literally a 9-point stop. 2 mics only lost $40. Like I wish I could like be more. There's no way I can be more transparent with y'all. Like if there's a way I would. But yeah. We swept that. We inversed this one. I said, all right, we're trading. I was very aggressive. That's why when I trade aggressive, I trade very light. I don't care making a few $100 profit, maybe $1,000 profit, trading light sizing. I don't mind that just because we are taking an aggressive setup, or at least likely less probable setup than usual. It's not saying it's not A plus setup. Let's say it's a C setup. Of course, I'm going to de-risk on C setup. I don't have as much confluence, lower time frame confluence will never equivalent as much as higher time frame, and that's what I mean by aggressive. Is we're trading based off lower time frames, trying to get better entries, tighter stops for a bigger play. And yeah, these are my 2 trades for the week so far. Down $150. Can you imagine $150 and up last week? I made upwards of $7,000, $6,000. Like, bro, if this don't tell y'all to get on your shit with your risk management, to properly like learn how to master and know when to size up and when to size down, I don't know how else literally just get on the live with us, trade with us live. It's literally free, and you'll understand the risk management. Today was such a perfect example of people who didn't understand that risk management on that L and do. Some people only lost $60 on today's trade. $60. And there's somebody who lost like 400, 500. Everyone got on his ass for like using such high risk management. When we said enter light, like we'll tell y'all we're going in full entry. Sometimes we'll say we're going in with a little heavier entry. Sometimes every time we'll tell y'all de-risk, normal sizing, extra sizing, depending on how we feel confident. And that way y'all also get used to like market management and managing your own risk. That way y'all can have more probability in the long run to actually succeed with your guys' trading and managing your own risk. But yeah, that's going to be it for me today. I hope this sounds right, because I just realized I have no mic here. So, yeah, I hope it sounds right.